Welcome back again. Let us discuss tropical deciduous forests. Tropical deciduous forests. These forests are also called monsoon forests because for the well growth of these forests, it need the monsoon climate. They are spread in the region having a rainfall between 200 centimeter to 70 centimeter per year. These trees shed the leaves about 6 to 8 weeks per year. The trees found in these deciduous tropical or tropical deciduous forests shed the leaves about 6 to 8 weeks in mainly summer season. In this forest, there are some common animals are found like lion, tiger, pig, deer, and elephants. These animals are common in this type of tropical deciduous forests. And we can divide these deciduous forests into two: moist deciduous and dry deciduous. This deciduous forest can be divided into moist deciduous and dry deciduous. Moist deciduous. This type of forest has been seen in the region having rainfall about 200 centimeter to 200 centimeter to 100 centimeter per year. Teak or the teak is the most dominant species of this moist deciduous forest. Bamboo, sal, shisham, sandalwood, kair, kusum, arjun, and mulberry are the other commercially important plants or species found in this moist deciduous forest. Now, dry deciduous forest. These forests are seen in the areas having rainfall about 100 centimeter to 70 centimeter. These dry deciduous forests are seen in the region having the rainfall about 100 centimeter to 70 centimeter. Teak or the teak, sal, peepal, and neem are the common plants or the trees found in these areas. Now, thorn forests and scrubs. Here the vegetation is thorny trees and bushes. What is the thorny trees? Some plants, I think most of you might have seen a needle-like structure with a sharp end. Some of the plants got a needle-like structure with very sharp end. That is the thorn. Some plants leaves are modified into a thorn-like structure. But in some other cases, some plants got thorns in between the leaves. Anyway, thorn forest and scrubs we will discuss now. This type of the plants or the forests found in the northwestern part of the country. These thorn forests are found in the northwestern part of the country like Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, and Haryana. Trees have long roots. Such trees got long roots enough to penetrate deep into the soil to get the moisture, which means this type of plants got long roots enough to move through the soil in search of the water, and the stems are always moist to conserve the loss of the water or to conserve the water. Leaves are mostly thick and small to minimize the evaporation. You know, the leaves evaporate the water. But here, for this thorn forest, the leaves are very thick and small enough to reduce the loss of the water through the evaporation. The leaves are mostly thick and small. I told you to minimize the evaporation of the water. Acacia, palms, euphorbias, and cacti are the main plant species found in this thorn forest. And the animals like rats, mice, rabbits, fox, wolf, tiger, lion, wild ass, and horses and camels are common here.